welcome back to the Electrician's Tool Channel. Today I got a special for you guys. I have an oldie, but it's a goodie. Don't know just how old this multimeter is, but it's by Sears. It's a Sears CRAFTSMAN Professional Series. The model number is 82357. It's a true RMS, Autoranging. It has PC interface. And it's a data logging multimeter by Sears and Roebuck. Now, again, I just say I don't know the year that it came out. I don't know. It looks pretty new. Maybe. When I looked online, I seen some write-ups about it. That was like around 2017. People was talking about it. I could be wrong. I couldn't find the exact date. So if you guys know the exact date when this came out, just let me know, because I'm kind of curious about this multimeter. Well, anyway, I got it online. I got it for a real good deal, and it's brand new. Everything's brand new. I'm just taking it out of the bag now. It's brand new. The bag's never been opened. None of it ever been opened. Inside the box is in perfect condition. This is brand new, like I've never been read before. The screen protector is still on the glass. Still on the display, and look like it's never been touched before. Now, you can see it's high. Looking at it, you can tell it's high quality. The feel of it is really, really nice. It really feels solid. It feels better than some of the meters that are out today that are considered high quality. Turn this meter on. This is. It's really good. I like this rubber boot that's around it. The case, you could tell it's an old-fashioned case right here. But this is the case that it came in. It's an old-fashioned case. But still, I'm pleased with this meter. It takes 1 9-volt battery. It has a 500-volt max rating. What did it take? The features, you have AC/DC voltage, they have ohms, continuity, diode, resistance, it has hertz, capacitance, it has microamps, milliamps, a 2 amp fuse in here. Temperature, Celsius and Fahrenheit. You also get, is this like a capacitor checker right here? Maybe so. For like the electrolytic capacitors or something, or diodes, maybe that. Okay, we'll try that out. It has a backlight, have like I say hertz, have duty cycle, rail mode, a range, hold, and a push button power. Look at the display. They have some more stuff on here. Let me just, because I'm kind of curious. I just got it today. So I'm kind of curious about it too. They say it has okay. It's auto ranging, yeah, relative mode, data hold, backlight, DC voltage, DC current measurements, AC current measurements, resistance, continuity check, diode test, frequency, duty cycle, capacitance, temperature, software, let me see what else. Packed with a lot of stuff. You have input jack diagram. That's, I don't know if you guys can see this. Input jack diagram that you're putting it in the right input. They have blown fuse indicator. They have wrong test lead position indicator. Okay. They have, we'll just try that out now. I'm curious about the wrong test lead. So this meter can't be that old, because I can remember I was growing up messing with foam multimeters. They didn't have all that. So this meter cannot be that old with the wiring diagram. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it on DC voltage, but I'm going to put it in the amp mode and see what happens. Okay. So hold on a second. Okay, well I have it in the, I just want to see something. If it'll tell me I got in the wrong one. It's milliamps, DC, microamps, capacitance. So it's telling me I should be, but capacitance is right here. Okay, so that's the 2 hertz, okay. Ohms, DC. So let me try it here and see what happens. Oh, okay. So that's what's telling me. That's what they mean. Okay. That's pretty decent. But I have it in the wrong one. It's a nice meter. Huh. Okay. Okay, serious. All right. And they say diode symbol, battery symbol, relative indicator, range hold indicator, PC interface. This is a pretty decent multimeter. Coming out of a department store like Sears, you know. But Sears had a good name brand, for those of you who remember. The CRAFTSMAN name was synonymous with being good tools. They had good tools way back then, and when you mention that word craftsman, or I'm going to Sears to buy me some tools, the first thing coming out of your mouth, get a Craftsman. So, you know, this sounds about right for Sears to put out something decent like this. So let me just see what else we can do. I'm gonna just move some of this to the side, and we're gonna just functional test it and see. Okay. All right, so let's try capacitance. Probably try the capacitor. I have one here that we're going to try out. It's a 30 microfarad capacitor, 5 for the fan, 5 microfarads for the fan, and we'll see just what it do. So when I'm always shorten it out. Okay, so capacitance now. So here we go. I'm going to the fan first, which should be 5 microfarads. 4.9 is good. Let's go to the compressor. It should be 30 microfarads. 29.9. I think I'm gonna hold. And just for giggles and laughs, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get another multimeter and compare it with that. Let me see which one I have around. Let's do this amp probe in the mix. Okay, throw this amp probe in the mix, and we'll see just how well it does. Where are you? Okay. Shorten it out again. Remember, 30 for the compressor and 5 for the fan. So it was 4.9 that the Sears read before. They said 4.8. Okay, still in spec. 4.89. All right, it's off by 1. And let's go to the compressor, which was, see what it says, 29.5. Okay. believe the Sears. I think that's pretty good. Let me do it again. It's gonna, do we have a hold? Compressor. Okay. That's the reading right there, y'all. You see, the 29.5, the Sears had 29.9. I believe the Sears. I believe the Sears. Okay. Let's see what else I can do. Let's, hey, let's do this for DC voltage. Okay. I'm gonna send, I'm gonna use this. It's my generator. And I'm gonna send some voltage into it. DC, and we'll see just. Okay. DC. Okay, I'll put this on the back for now. And I won't. I'm gonna put 250 into it. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. Let me try to move it back some. No? How about up some? The glare. That's good. Okay. Now you can see both of them. I'm gonna put 250 into it, and we'll see just how it handles it. Here we go. I'm saying 256, 255, and it's saying the Sears is saying 255.2, which is good. And since this only could take 500 volts, I'm gonna put 500 into it and see what we get then. Okay. 506, 506. That's really good. Oh man, I want to do that again. I want to save it. Okay. Now I'm gonna try the amp probe and just see. I don't know if you guys can see this amp probe. Can you? Yeah, you can see it. I'm gonna try 250. Then I'm gonna go to the 500. Okay. The Mega saying is 256. And amp probe saying 255. It's off by 1. The CRAFTSMAN was spot on with that reading. We're gonna go to 500, and we'll see just what happens. $506, $506. Okay. That's good. It's even better for a multimeter. Like I said, I don't know the age of this CRAFTSMAN, but that's even better for a multimeter. Its age to be holding up that well. Let me see what else I can do to show you guys. It has a backlight. Let me try that. Hopefully you guys can see this thing. You see it. It's not the best lighting in the world, but I can read it. I'm gonna put it in the dark. Yeah, I can read it. If I can read it. It's you know, it's dim, but not too dim where I can't read it. The lights are even. They're they're on the sides, but they're even. They don't have any shadows like you can't really see anything, but they're even. So, but yeah, it's okay. I can do that. I can do that. I give it a pass on that. Got the range. Okay, now what I wanted to do was the max voltage for the AC is 700. I'm sorry, 700, and it's 1,000 volts DC. I had it wrong, but what I want to do, I want to show you guys again about this function. The wiring diagram. If you put the leads in the wrong spot, what happens? Okay, so I'm gonna put this in here, and I'm going to put it in the milliamp one. And again, for you guys who didn't see it before, pick up the little. It's telling you that I'm wrong. The little wire diagram right there, it's telling me that I'm wrong. That's neat. It's very neat. It's very neat. Let's see what else I can show you guys about it. I tried getting into the back of it already, y'all, but I couldn't. I'm gonna have to take some time because it looked like I didn't want to break one of the. I'm sure it has never been opened before, and this is brand new. This is new. Never been opened before, but I managed to get half of it open, and I didn't want to snap the rest. So just as soon as I get it open, I'll let you guys take a look at it, how I look in the inside. If any one of you guys have one of these meters, or have had one of these meters before, and you've opened it up, just let me know in the bottom in the comment, because I don't want to, like I say, I want to look in the inside. I'm very curious about the inside, and I don't want to break it. I want to damage it, trying to pop it open or anything. And I don't want to pry the casing open and have it all chewed up around the side or anything, trying to open it up. So maybe I was doing it wrong, but this one just didn't pop off like the rest of them that I normally open up. So overall, I'm really impressed with this meter. I really am. I really am impressed with this meter. I don't have anything bad to say about it at all. At all. I like what I got. I like what I got. So, again, if I close it out, let me just show you guys everything here. This is it. This is it. My Sears CRAFTSMAN, model number 82357, true RMS, Autoranging PC interface multimeter. Guys, thank y'all for allowing me to take up your time. Take care and peace out.